We work hard to give our customers the very best, so when they share how happy they are with us, we love sharing that news with the world. One of our customers loved our customer service so much that they left this review online. And here's what one customer had to say about their experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with our team members and customers, and it's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament to our commitment to customer satisfaction. As much as we love earning our 5-star reviews from our existing customers, we also love earning 5-star reviews from our new customers. We want to earn one from you. So just call us at the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.